Assalam Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're finally cool and having chill. So guys, if you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more videos and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next video. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description, and my Instagram is coming here right now. So guys, in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you a beautiful style of tying beautiful turban of Gabon. Okay, it says style of Gabon. So let's see how can I tie this beautiful turban. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. So Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial.